Hey Maximizers, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Crystal. I'm a money saving coach and I'm here to help you, yes you, save and make money to live the life that you love. And this is a real deal post. This is not I got all this stuff for cheap or free. Me and Bay are at BJ's. It is currently December 17th. We just dropped Kinsley off to go with her dad, and we are doing our basically like end of the year BJ shopping. We plan on eating crabs. We plan on cooking on our grill. We plan on really resting. I have a lot of behind the scenes work to do. You're probably like, Crystal, we don't care about that. Probably like, Crystal, we don't care about that. What you care about is that I'm in BJ's and I do have a decent amount of coupons for these items. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you my cart while I'm in the store and tell you everything that we got. When I get home, I'll show you the receipts and I will show you like how much we paid. Like, we'll talk about it again when we get home, but let me just give you a quick overview. And then we also need to go to Walmart. I did a grocery order. My mom bought me groceries. Shout out to her. And we have a couple other things we need to pick up. But let me just show you, you know what? I'm going to show you when we get home because it's kind of crazy in here. But I will say I love going to BJ's. Buying in bulk is not always better. I'll say that. I have a BJ's playlist that I'll leave up here for you to check out. But basically, there's a lot of things that are better got at BJ's, better bought at BJ's. So I just like to do our price comparisons, and me and Bay have even found some other things like our hot sauce, some seasonings. Seasonings are definitely better because you'll pay $4 for a small container of Old Bay, and this is like triple, almost quadruple the size of the small container, and it's only $8. And I have lots of coupons. I've even found that our I can't believe it's not butter. You get 2 for the price of 1 you would pay at Walmart. So I did put it in my grocery order for my mom to buy, but I picked up another pack. I'll probably do another BJ's run in early January to just get us ready for, you know, like the back to school time. But overall, I told Bay I did not come in here to spend $200, but we're probably going to spend $200. So I'm going to show you my cart. And then when I get home, I'll go into detail of like everything that we bought and the coupons that we got off, the coupons that we used. So here's the cart. We have a variety of things that we got, and down here we got some beer, some charcoal, and we also are going to go to the liquor store and get our favorite like tequila because we're, like I said, we're trying to just hunker down for the next 2 weeks. This is partially a Christmas present to ourselves, like enjoy our life, eat our best life. We don't have Kinsley, so it's just me and him just loving on each other. So yeah, I'll go through everything once we get back home. I'll go through this order and then I'll probably do a little Walmart haul order as well. So we're back home from BJ's, and before I dig into this haul and tell you all what we got and how much we spent, I want to say that I've worked very hard in my career, you know, to coupon for 13 years. I worked very hard these past 3 years to build the Krys the Maximizer brand. I am very intentional about like 90% of what I do in my whole life, especially when it comes to shopping. There have been very few times in my life where I'm able to just go to the store and buy whatever I want, and it feels really good. As I'm growing in business, it's literally becoming more of like the reality and the norm versus the scarcity of like, do we have enough? The reason I became really deep with this couponing is like there's been very hard times in my life where I just did not have enough money to get everything that I want. All of my basic needs I had enough for, but to like do that little bit of extra, I just didn't have. Why am I telling you this? Because me and Bay spent the day, and you'll see these videos broken up, but probably spent close to $1,000 today, mostly in the store. We went to BJ's, we went to Walmart, and then the night before I bought champagne. The reason why I was able to do that is because I was able to secure, I said this before, a 5-figure sponsorship with a brand, and I received my first round of payments, and it just felt really good to say, you know what, let's have an amazing Christmas. Let's get everything that we want to eat, everything that we want to drink, because that's what's important to us, resting and spending time together. So I'm saying all that to say I balled out at BJ's, and the amount of money I spent, I was a little nervous about. And then after, I was like, oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm spending this much. I released it. And I was grateful to the Lord that I had put in this hard work of 13 years and put in the hard work of building my brand for the past 3 years to allow me to be able to go to the store and just buy whatever I wanted because it felt good and because I wanted to like basically treat myself because I deserve it. I work so hard every single day. I deserve this. So I wanted to preface the video with that. So now let me show you what I got from BJ's, and I'll tell you how much we spent. We went to BJ's, the regular, and then our BJ's has a liquor store. So let's dig in. First things first, my man loves Fiji water, and I will have to say that I love Fiji water too. So we got 2 cases of Fiji. It's not cheap, y'all. It's like $21 a case. This is definitely a luxury treat. Otherwise, we drink what Bay calls dirty tap water, like the Walmart brand water. But this is a treat, and we have the opportunity to treat ourselves because we've been working so hard. Bay also loves potato bread, and I do too. So we got the Martin's potato bread from BJ's. We've not been feeling too good, so we want this to help us feel better as well as preventatively. So we got the Tylenol cold and flu. We had coupons for this, and then also Tylenol PM. The last time I bought this was back in like April or May after Bay had his surgery, and we're down to like our last like 6 tablets, and he had to take this really frequently after his surgery. So we're down to like our last like 10 tablets, I believe. So we got another one of these, and we had like multiple coupons for that as well. We grabbed the taco kits because we love tacos, and it's honestly the best deal to get. It's even better than the Walgreens buy one get one free. Talk to y'all about the butter in the store, but literally this is a 30 ounces. It's 60 ounces total between this twin pack for $6, and I think I paid $6 or $7 at Walmart for 45 ounces. So I just went ahead and got this. Bay also got me stuck on this, and it doesn't expire till March 2022, so why not? We decided to try the Tostitos dip because BJ's had a deal that when you buy, you save some money. Like when you bought this and you bought this, there was a coupon, and I'll show you the coupon later. So we did get the bite-sized Tostitos, and we got spicy nachos. We're actually having chili tonight for dinner, and we have chili really often. Bay loves mushrooms, so he got the whole baby Bella mushrooms. I love the sunflower seeds, so I got the roasted and salted sunflower seed kernels. He wanted to try something new, so he got this pack of hash browns. Let me move them over here. They need to get in the freezer, but he bought hash browns for us. We love hot sauce. We are a hot sauce family. We got Frank's Red Hot. Y'all, it was so cheap at BJ's, and there was a coupon. Seasonings are much better got at BJ's because this was, let me not lie to you. I'm going to get the receipt. The seasonings were $6.99, okay? And I don't have my other phone in my hand, but like to buy a small seasoning, maybe like 6 to 8 ounces at Walmart is usually between $4 to $5. So why not get this for $7, and it's gonna last us a while, and then we just use this to refill our small ones. Same thing with the Old Bay. We're having a Krabby Christmas, so I just got us a giant thing of Old Bay. This is $8. We usually pay like $5 for a small one. And this is 24 ounces of Old Bay. And then Bay also likes the chicken seasoning. So we got chicken and steak. So yes, we got stuff that we needed. Bay is bougie, y'all. And I have all the wipes in the world. But he really only likes Clorox wipes. And he likes lemon. So we got this 5-pack of Clorox wipes. I had a coupon for them as well. We got 3 lemon and 2 fresh scent. It made him happy, you know. And he does a lot of the cooking and cleaning. So I'm like, let me treat him to all the things that he likes, because then he'll keep cooking and cleaning. Love this Cajun andouille sausage. I'm gonna eat this with our crab feast that we're having. This is so much better to get at BJ's too, because for this big pack of sausage, y'all, it's $10.99 for a 10-pack of sausage. You see, it's 10 sausages, whereas you can get 4 sausages at the grocery store for like I think $6. So like, why not pay 10 and get double the amount of sausage? So I get that. Only got this confection sugar because there was a promo when you buy 2 McCormick's, you get a Domino sugar free. So we got the confection sugar for free. We accidentally ripped open the corn in the car, but we got a giant thing of corn because, again, we're having crabs for Christmas, and we love corn on the cob. I showed you all that. We got Bay a 24-pack of Heineken. That's his favorite beer, and we bought that in club at BJ's. We got the 3-pack of Lysol. Also had a coupon for it, but y'all, you know, with us not feeling good and being sick, we don't got COVID, but being sick, you always need the Lysol. And then Bay loves he loves spicy. Like, so he got Sriracha, the double pack. Again, it was so much cheaper than Walmart. So as I tell you all the time, and if this is your first time watching me, please go watch my BJ's playlist, which is linked here. Do your math to see what is better to buy at BJ's, Sam's Club, Costco, wherever you like to shop, versus your local Walmart. I treated myself to a fresh set of flare pins. I haven't bought a fresh set this year. Half of mine are dried out, so I bought these from BJ's, and they were like $11. which I looked online. That was about $2 to $3 cheaper than Walmart and Target. I did go to Walmart, and you'll see in my Walmart haul, I did go to Walmart and buy 2 4-packs of just the black, because I use the black more than anything. Like, this will get used up like in like 3 weeks. So I bought like just the black ones. And then also I've been wanting this. I work on the bed and in the couch, in the bed all the time, and I need this. I used to have one, but it broke. So I bought a new one. I was like, forget ordering it from Amazon. I just got this. I love that it gives me space for my mouse and a little thing. So my mouse and my phone. I said a little thing, a phone. So that's everything we got in club at BJ's, okay? We spent a grand total, cash out of pocket, before tax, $282.92. And then after tax, it was $293. Okay. Now I got 28 items, okay, for $293. And as you can see, I'll show you, I had a lot of coupons. I'll show you the savings at the bottom, but we had a lot of different coupons. We got a ton of, on the Tylenol, if you can see right here, I got 2 Tylenols, and we got $8 off of the Tylenol, which is so much better than the Walmart price. Now, if we go down here, it'll tell you exactly like how much we saved. We had $34 in coupons, and we saved $88 overall. So I think that is such a great deal. And overall at BJ's, we've saved $228 this year. We usually only go to BJ's like every other month, so like every 60 days. Then we went to the liquor side, and the house is a little messy, so don't judge us if you happen to get a glance of the back. We are cleaning up, and my Walmart haul, I'm gonna film that second. This is what we got from from the liquor store, and we spent more money at the liquor store. So we love tequila. The Jose Cuervo is $27.99, and they had a promo. When you buy 2, you get it $8 off. So that basically brings them to like $23.99 each. So we got the Jose. Bay has been buying fresh pineapples, and I'm like, oh my gosh, we need to make pina coladas. So I got this Malibu for pina coladas, and then I also got the Masters of the Mixes pina colada mix to make pina coladas. This is by far, I've told you guys, my favorite wine. It's $9.99 at BJ's, which is the cheapest. So I got 2 bottles of that. And then we also got some Bacardi to put into the pina coladas. So at the liquor store, we spent, as you can see, come on, focus, $101.60. And you can see that $8 coupon for the Jose. So with everything, we spent $101. So all in at BJ's, your girl spent $400. I don't know why it's so fuzzy. We spent $400. And yes, that feels like kind of daunting, but we got so much stuff that we want, like, and need. I'm super happy, grateful, thankful, blessed. Like, we won't need to buy pain medicine for another 5-6 months. And another thing that cost a lot that we got at BJ's was this 2 big pack thing of charcoal, because Bae loves his grill, i.e. here's his grill in the back of the garage. So we got that big thing, and we had like a $4 off coupon for that. But that's another thing we got from BJ's, but it was too heavy. We won't bring it in the house. Anyway, all of that to say, I love BJ's, love it so much. Make sure you check out my BJ's haul. If you want to sign up and get a BJ's membership, you can get 50% off your first year membership. There's a link down in the description box. Go ahead, click it. Instead of paying $50, you can get it for $25. So if you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. If you want to learn how to shop with a purpose, be more intentional with your money, there's a link down in the description box to contact me. And early in January, I'll be able to reach out to you, and we can chat about working together to help you saving more money, budget better, and reaching your big financial goals in 2022. So yeah, let me know down in the comments. I want to thank you guys so much for your love and support. I appreciate each and every one of you. Stay safe out there as you were shopping. And as always, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.